Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create business expense tracker in Jotform table. So what we're gonna do is we sign up to Jotform, then we go to products and choose Jotform table. Now here you can click on create table, choose to start from scratch because you have option to use template or even import data. But here I want to show you how to do it in custom way. So start from scratch. It will force you some of the default fields when you create such table, so you will be getting rid of those as well, right? So these are some of the fields that I'm going to get rid of, right? So let's delete these columns and then we will add, let's see, expenses, where we are going to select one choice, right? So expenses, that column should contain choice for salary, rent, then subscription, then taxes, then let's see some of the stationaries, right? And also let's see other options, just in case if we don't remember anything to type, right? So we got expenses. Next we need month, right? So here we can make multiple single choice option, adding all those 12 month, or we can choose short text, and here we can use month, right? So we have expense, month, then we have income, so that would be a number, right? And then click next, choose format, so you can have up to 3 decimals, then you have notes for short text, right? So you will see how it works. Now let's see if I have new entry. Here I'm going to add stationaries. Month should be Jan, income, and let's see one more number saying expense, right? So expenses, next choose format, up to 3 decimal, create column, can add it next to month. So expense, I spend like $15 to expense. My income this month was, let's say, 2,500, right? So we can add one more number, or we can add a formula, advanced formula, click next. So balance left, right? Click next, create column where your balance should be income, then minus expenses, right? So here you see, here we have number, both of these. So we keep moving there, and currently it will flag this error because we may have to delete entire row before we can do this sort of operation, right? So let's see, edit the formula. Here you can see income equals to income, and then we are going to remove that. So income minus expenses, right? So that should give you syntax error in following strings. So most likely this should be the one causing problem. So apply the change and let's see how it looks now, right? So if we try to view this, Okay, expenses balance number, right? So if I start again from scratch for both income and expense, let's see how it looks now. So 2500, then 15, right? So it seems to be creating that issue. So we'll fix that once we add manual entries. So let's say if I add form here, if I choose rent, month is Feb, my income is 2500, expenses 750, right? And then we have notes. If we submit this, right? So we add one submission here. Here the balance is giving us problems, so we'll have to edit this field. So edit formula, and let's go with this for now. Let's say income, then we have option 2, let's say income minus, then we have expenses, right? So here it becomes a category, so that was the problem, so we use expenses, apply change, and you have your balance there, right? And we also already have our form for you to add, so you'll be able to track. Only difference is you will have to edit this header that you can do through this edit form, right? So we go there and we can go to the top of form, right? And here we can add that business expense tracker, right? Then we click on publish and open it in new tab, right? So it should look something like this. So we pick the expense, we pick the month, then we choose the income for that month, then expenses, and finally notes. So this is pretty much how you can create business expense tracker in Jotform table.